The PEG transfer training course is designed to familiarize yourself with the angle adjustment of the articulating instruments and to repeat the training for inserting and removing silicone pegs in and out of the holes to allow you to freely manipulate the joint of ArtiSential. This course uses two ArtiSential fenestrated forceps products. Prepare for the course by attaching the modules for the moving blocks course to the module frame and then inserting 5 silicone blocks into the bottom block module. Hold ArtiSential in your right hand and move and insert the blocks from the bottom module into the holes that are the symmetry points of the front module. As you did in the instrument orientation, hold the end effector of ArtiSential in neutral position and insert it into the trocar to approach towards the peg that is inserted into the module. When holding the peg, always adjust its angle so that the peg for which end effector is inserted is parallel to the peg that is perpendicular to the floor. After having grabbed the peg and lifted it out of the hole, pull the instrument out again, and align the angle to the neutral position in the same format as in instrument orientation. Now, approach near the target hole situated at the symmetry point and adjust the angle of the end effector so that the peg is inserted exactly perpendicular to the hole. After having inserted the peg into the hole in this state, we succeeded in placing the peg by moving one peg with the instrument. Do the same for all 5 pegs. Once you have moved all the pegs from the bottom to the front module, move the pegs from the front module back to their original position at the bottom. Repeat the same process of approach target in neutral position and adjust angle, touch target hole, reverse it, adjust to neutral, as above. Now, while holding the peg, perform the same process of approach target in neutral position and adjust angle, touch target hole, reverse, adjust to neutral. Do the same for all 5 pegs. When performing the PEG transfer training course, you could try adjusting the position of your stance in front of the training kit. Instead of just moving your arms in a rigid position, try to move your body fluidly left, right, or closer, farther, to secure more freedom of movement. If you are using ArtiSential for the first time, or have an uncomfortable hand, you can support the arch of the instrument handle with your other hand to take off the weight of the product, which will make it easier in the initial training. You can learn the basic movements of the articulating laparoscopic instrument and understand its application method by practicing the corresponding course for more than approximately 30 minutes. This concludes the training for the right-hand PEG transfer course.